Hello friends, I'm Sanjeev from purposethemes.com and today we will take a look at a new theme named Daily Post from Tesla Themes. It is a magazine layout theme for super bloggers where you have published content-rich sites with at least 2 or 3 articles per day. Then you can create a very engaging look using Daily Post. Once you activate this theme on your WordPress site, you get setting options. There is a dedicated menu named Daily Post under which you will get all the setting options. They have one set framework for that. In Daily Post you are getting framework version as 1.9.6. Here on this framework on setting panel you can change the layout, whether you want wide layout or the boxed layout. You can also upload favicon from here. Change the background colors you can change, canvas colors you can change. Then you can also modify the author page look. Share these options are there. All the services that you want to activate to share on different social media sites, you can activate from this panel. You can also provide your social media links over here. Whether you are using Facebook or Twitter or Google+, you can provide your profile link over here. Then under typography, you can change the typography font. You can also use Google Fonts. You just have to select the font from the drop down. Very well integrated with this theme. You can change the heading style, whether you want italic or bold. All those things you can change from this panel. From the customized default, you can change the primary color of the website. Using this color picker you can change that primary color from this panel. Under header sections you can upload logo. The most important part of this Tesla setting panel is you can preview your image, whether you are uploading favicon or logo or side menu logo, everything you can preview. So that option is really good. Apart from that, you can also customize the footer area, the copyright information that you want to put. You can just insert that copyright information. You don't need to change footer.php or any other template file. So that is really handy for those who are not comfortable with coding. Daily Post comes with an inbuilt subscribe box. So whether you want to hide or show that subscribe box, you can opt for that option under footer settings. The most important thing, you can customize 404 pages. Say for example, if somebody is trying to open a particular page which is not there on your website, so he will receive 404 error. So on 404 error, it is very common to show some recent articles or a search box. So for that page you can customize that particular page, the 404 page, using this setting panel. You can provide a title as per your choice, subtitle, button title, and then you can also upload a very nice background image saying 404 or page not found, or any creative text you can use on that particular image, and you can show that. So that is a very good option to create a very nice 404 page. Under developer setting, you can add some custom CSS, some extra CSS that you want to add on your website. So without changing the core style.css file of the theme, you can add some extra CSS using this custom style box. Similarly, you can add some custom JS through this custom JS box. So it is again very helpful when you don't want to edit the header.php or any other template file. You need to populate some consumer key, consumer secret. So that kind of data you can populate over here for proper use of Twitter. So that setting is also there. Now regarding that inbuilt subscribe box, when somebody will subscribe from that particular box, you can see the latest 20 subscribers, the list of latest 20 subscribers on this subscriber panel. So it is helpful in getting to know people who are subscribing to your posts. So again, you can start the communication and you can communicate with those people. So it is a very good feature. Once you activate Daily Post, you also get 2 extra plugins with this theme. One is Visual Composer, which will help you in creating a very nice looking pages using drag and drop method. Then the second plugin is Tesla Framework. So those 2 plugins will come pre-packaged with the theme. You don't need to download it separately. Once you activate the theme, you will see a particular notice that saying that you need to activate or install these 2 themes. Sorry, these 2 plugins. So as you can see, I have activated Visual Composer. The Visual Composer options you can see under this panel. So once you'll go and add a new page on your website, you can see apart from the classic editor, you can use the backend editor of this Visual Composer that will allow you to create a page or create content on a page using drag and drop method. Similarly, you can also use front-end editor, so that will allow you to edit the pages from front-end. So Visual Composer is a really nice plugin. We will create a dedicated video tutorial for Visual Composer from Tesla. Apart from that, they have also provided one custom post type named Visitor Story. So it appears that if somebody will submit a contact form, that on Daily Post setting panel, you can also see one option named as Manage Contact Forms. So if you are using Daily Post, you don't need to use Contact Form 7 or any other form plugins, because you can create any number of forms using this panel, and you can just add that form using shortcode. Once you activate Daily Post, you can see if you are working on a development site, you can populate your website with some dummy content. So that feature is also there. You can click on Import Demo, and this panel is having a single button. You just have to click on this button, and your site will be pre-populated with some dummy content. That import XML file has been provided with the theme package, so you don't need to upload any XML file. It will just use the inbuilt files. Export import options feature is there. If you have customized your particular website, you can just export the setting options, complete setting options. Say for example, if you are developing a website, you can export from your development site and import it on the production or the final site. So that will help you in implementing your website on live server. So that is again a very good feature. We have listed Daily Post on purposethemes.com, where you can see the detailed review as well as comparison result with other magazine layout WordPress themes. Say for example, some popular themes like Hot Topics, Make, and other so many more than 1,000 themes are listed on Purpose Themes. So you can compare Daily Post with other themes and you can see how it performs. Thanks for watching this video.